Want to know how to pick products that actually sell fast? It starts with finding your route to market. By now, your mind is probably racing with all the ways you could make money online, even if you're busy with a full-time job. But here's the key. There's a difference between launching a business quickly and launching a business that makes money quickly. That's where your experience comes in. You already understand business systems, and that gives you an edge. You can use that knowledge to create an online model that starts earning sooner than most. So, what really matters if you want fast profits? Two things: the product you sell and the audience you sell it to. Match the right product to the right people, or in other words, solve a specific problem for a specific person. Get this right and you'll make your path to profit a whole lot easier. Next up, picking your niche. Whether you're selling a digital product, a physical product, or a service, the first step is deciding the industry you're going to focus on. That's what niche really means in internet marketing. Your niche defines the topic you'll be working in, and more importantly, the kind of customers you'll be selling to. A smart move is to go with one of the most popular niches that already have a big audience. The biggest ones: making money online, dating, fitness, health, business, and lifestyle. Pick one and you're already putting yourself in a space where people are actively spending. These big niches are popular because they appeal to a global audience. Think about it. Only some people care about cats or rowing, but almost everyone wants to be healthier, find love, or make more money. Choosing one of these niches gives you the largest possible audience, and in theory, the best chance to succeed. But here's the catch. The bigger the audience, the tougher the competition. Everyone else is also selling in these spaces, often with products as good as or better than yours. And with such a crowded market, you have no clear path to reach your audience. Where do you even start promoting in fitness or dating when everyone is already saturated with offers? Now, consider a niche like rowing. It's smaller, but much more targeted. There are dedicated forums and social media groups where a few hundred or a few thousand people are passionate about the topic. They rarely get products pushed at them, which means there's a real demand and far less competition. By going niche, you can reach the right people directly and actually make sales. And the best part? Your marketing efforts become way simpler because you know exactly where your audience is and what they want. Chances are your audience wants to get better at their sport or hobby. If your book can help them do that, and it's something they haven't seen before, then promoting it directly could lead to real sales. But don't stop there. Think about all the routes to market available. A rowing website, a rowing magazine, a local rowing club, or even a college with an active rowing team. These are all places where your book could reach the right people. You can also go beyond hobbies and target specific industries. The stage lighting industry, the food truck industry, thousands of people in these fields could benefit from your information. If your product helps them make or save money, they'll see it as an investment, not just an expense. The key is always the same: solve a specific problem for a specific person. When choosing your niche, consider your existing opportunities, contacts, and resources. They can give you a huge advantage when it comes to getting your product in front of the right audience. Most of us already have influence or resources we can tap into. The smart move is to make the most of what you already have. This is how you make life easier and start earning faster as a business professional. For example, if you run a martial arts blog, you could create or even purchase an ebook on the subject. You already have an audience ready to buy, so it's a no-brainer. The same goes if you're a martial arts instructor, or even if your best friend owns a martial arts site. The key takeaway? Leverage what's already in front of you. Make life as easy as possible, and you'll start seeing results much faster. Picking a small niche can feel tricky, especially when your instinct is to go for the biggest, most popular topics. That's completely normal. One smart solution is to merge niches. Combine two subjects into one focused niche. For example, you could mix martial arts and fitness by creating a book on fitness for martial artists, or fitness for students. You're narrowing your audience while still keeping broad appeal. This makes your marketing more targeted and effective. It works really well with PLR products too. Grab a generic ebook on fitness and tweak it to focus on students, martial artists, the elderly, or even diabetics. Suddenly you've got multiple niches you can market to, each with a specific audience, giving you the chance to maximize your earnings faster. Merging niches isn't just smart, it's one of the fastest ways to turn a generic product into something highly profitable. Choosing the right product isn't just about picking the right niche. It's about picking something with a strong value proposition. That's what makes some products sell like crazy while others barely move. The value proposition is all about how your product improves your audience's life. Take a fitness ebook. It's not about how many pages it has or how good the images are. It's not even just about helping people lose weight or build muscle. The real focus is the emotional value. How will your audience feel when they love their body, when they feel confident looking in the mirror, when they attract the people they want, or feel healthier and stronger every day? That's what gives your product real worth, something people are willing to pay for. Some products, like fitness guides, have a stronger emotional hook than others, like a gardening book, which is why they can sell for more. Your goal is simple. Find products that people truly want, products that make them feel a difference. That's how you create fast, high-value sales.